Oh, the axle nut seized on my motorcycle, so now I gotta cut it off. I've already tried to loosen it so much that I screwed up the other side wing here, but well, I'll show you what I have to do here in a second. Well, I got out the bigger grinder and you can see it's done, but cut into the axle as well. I was tired of trying to screw with it, so now I should be able to hit it out and it won't be an issue any longer. Alright, so I found well, it didn't take very long to get it off, but you can see, cut that through, was able to break out a chunk of it, but it did require cutting into these. Went a little bit too far, went into the washer, so I have to replace that. And then, where is it? You can see on the axle here what happened. Let's see if I can get that in focus. One of the threads is screwed up on there, and so that's what caused all of this. But the grinder makes quick work of it, and it's gonna end up being like $200 in parts to fix it all, but you know, now it's done.